Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel Green Knowledge. This is CNC Programming Series Part 2. In this video, we are going to learn about M codes. While dealing with CNC, you may have heard these words like G code, M code, but what exactly they are used for? In this video, we will discuss about M codes. And let's start without wasting time. M codes full form is miscellaneous codes. These codes are used to control the machine functions. Machine functions such as spindle rotation on, coolant on, door on off, chuck clamp or declamp, tool change, subprogram on off or program end. For all these functions, we use M codes. So you can also call M code as a machine code. Note that G code is a ISO standard code, but in M code all codes are not standard and changes from machine to machine. You can see some of the M codes in your screen. These M codes are going to be discussed in this video one by one in details. So I will highly recommend you to watch this video till the end. First we have M00. This code is used to stop CNC program in the middle whenever required. When CNC machine is executing the program and M00 appears, then both tool motion and spindle rotation are stopped. Basically, M00 can stop the motion of the tool in X, Y or Z direction, rotation of the spindle, coolant and next program blocks. In this, program is not reset. When you will press program cycle start, then again the program will start after M00 block. Next we have M01. M01 is also similar to M00. It also stops the program, but only when in machine control panel option stop button is on. When it is off, the CNC will neglect M01M code and move on without stopping the program. This code selection depends upon the choice of the operator. But if it is very important to stop the machine at some point, so we must use M00 instead of M01. As operator can forget to press the optional stop button in control panel and accident may happen. This M00 and M01 code is very useful when you want to stop CNC machine to measure the part or to observe the tool insert. Next we have M02. It is used to end the program. That is, when our whole program ends, we use M02 for that. At the ending of our program, we write M02, but this code will not bring our cursor back to the starting point. For that, we use M30. M30 is similar to M02 but has an additional function to bring cursor back to the starting point. Next we have M03. This M code starts the spindle rotation in clockwise direction. Usually after the tool change, we use M03 with spindle speed. Example M03S2000. That is, spindle will start rotating in clockwise direction at 2000 RPM. Similar to M03, we have M04, but in this code, the spindle will rotate in anti-clockwise direction, as you can see. And M05 is used to stop the spindle rotation whenever required. Next we have M06. This code is mostly used in CNC milling, because in CNC milling there is an automatic tool changer, ATC. It will change the tool automatically from the spindle. Example M06T01. In this, CNC will index T01 tool in magazine and ATC will change the tool to M06. M06 code is not used in CNC turning because in that we don't need to remove the tool. All we have to do is index it, which can be done by T01 code. Next we have M07, which is used for flood coolant or shower coolant. This code will activate the coolant pump and coolant will start coming out from the nozzle, which is pointing toward our cutting operation. It will cool the tool and provide better heat transfer. Similar to M07, we have M08, but with this, the mist coolant will be used. It means very tiny droplets of coolant will come out. And M09 is used to stop this coolant. It is used mostly at the end of program or whenever required. Next we have M98. This is an important code which is used to call some another program known as subprogram into the program in which we are working, that is main program. For example, if we write M98 P6 5555, it will run the subprogram O5555 and repeat it 6 times, because in P there is a program number with 4 digits at the end, and number that is before this 4 digit is the amount of time subprogram has to be repeated. In this case, 6 times. Note that maximum number of repetitions of subprogram are 999, that is 3 digits. Example M98 999 5555. This will repeat this program 999 times. With M98, we have to use M99 at the end of subprogram because it will tell the machine that subprogram has ended here and it will return back to the main program. And this calling of the subprogram with M98 and jumping back to the main program with M99 will keep on repeating the number of times we have specified with P code. Note that if M99 is not written in subprogram but in our main program only, then what will happen? Then a loop will create it and our main program will keep on repeating number of times automatically, and this is used when we have to do the production. You will just create the program and insert to the machine, and machine will keep on producing the parts by its own. So these were some basic standard M codes. Let us discuss other also to get a basic idea what CNC machines M codes are capable of. Next we have M19, which is used for spindle orientation. Spindle will stop at a fixed angle which is defined by the operator. The spindle orientation is normally used for milling operation on CNC lathe machine. In Fanuc, we use S after M19 to define an angle. Example, M19 S45. This will rotate our spindle at a 45 degree in order to do some milling operation on our workpiece. And to cancel this spindle orientation, we use M20. Next we have M41 and M42. CNC lathe machines can work at low spindle speeds like 100 to 200 rpm, and sometimes it need to work at 5000 rpm. To work with bigger diameter, we need low rpm speed due to requirement of rigidity of job between chuck and tailstock. Similarly, with finishing operation, we normally use higher spindle speed. This increasing and decreasing of speed is done by gears. So for that, CNC lathe machines come with gearbox attached, usually with 2 gears. M41 for low gear range selection to decrease the speed, and M42 for higher gauge selection to increase the speed. Next we have M68. It is used to close the hydraulic chuck to hold the workpiece, and M69 to open the hydraulic chuck in order to release the workpiece. Next we have M36 and M37. In automatic CNC, where we do mass production, and when workpiece is ready as a product, it is released into a part catcher. This part catcher collects the final product. M36 rotates the part catcher into position to catch a part, and M37 rotates the part catcher out of the CNC machine. So M36 for part catcher on and M37 for part catcher off. Next we have M46 and M47. These are used when operator wants the machine door to open and close automatically whenever required. It can be written in the program or with MDI mode. Next we have M78. This code is used for tailstock advancing, and M79 for tailstock reversing, as you can see in the screen. So this was all about M codes. I hope you gained some knowledge from this video. If you did, then please subscribe the channel, like the video and share it. Till then, have a nice day.